Hi everybody, Mark here at 911 Rapid Response, and today I got a cool vehicle showcase for you, a 2023 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon edition. So going over it with you quickly, it's a little chilly outside here today. We have a Go Rhino vehicle accessories across the vehicle. Starting at the front, we have a push bar. We have a high-tech brow light here in the middle in the front. That's the double stack version. We have the high-vis red and also white lights in the bumper, along up there at the cowl lights as well. We have a super winch here mounted on the front, which is the 10,000-pound super winch. And then we have a summit bar from wheeling across the top, and we have a fabricated bracket to go between the Go Rhino up supports and the A-pillars. As we wrap around the side of the vehicle, we threw a set of Nitto 35s on it, 315s. It has a lift kit on it as well that we did, and then the black Rhino wheels that we put on it as well finishes the side of the vehicle off very nice. Around the side we have some T-ions in red white, set of Go Rhino running boards. Those running boards are also nice because they help with the stone projection, protects the bottom of the vehicle, which is nice as well. Going along to the back, we have the Overlander rack. We have some scene lights here. This vehicle, and we do sell our vehicles equipped or not equipped, it just depends what the customer wants. This one does have some equipment on it, has the fire rakes, the axe on it, and then some other equipment here in the back. We have the Go Rhino rear bumper, some T-ions down there at the bottom with 2 ambers in it as well. Strip light series up here at the top, so we have some higher warning lights on a bracket that we made as well. All our brackets that we make in-house are powder coated, so they stay nice and durable for the length of the vehicle. Inside we have a Riptide skid tank. We have a little Darley Davy pump here. We make all our own connections, mount the pumps, the tank, everything. All this is assembled and configured in-house. We have a saw and a leaf pack blower as well. Come around to the other side. We have some Indian tanks mounted on the sides. On the inside of the vehicle, pretty much standard for the most part. We have the controller, the wheel and controller up top. We have 2 flashlights mounted in the back. Everything else is just a Rubicon interior, as you can see. And then I'll go over some functionality with you. Slider, this one's slider 3 right now. Slider 2 is just red flash. Slider 1 slows the flash rate down a little bit. Maybe if you're in a field off the side of the road or something like that, you would use this pattern. We do have DVI as well. This is going to do all of the wheeling product. We'll DVI. The wheeling product cooperates very well with the DVI. We have scene light functions as well. Turns everything white the whole way around the vehicle. This vehicle we did build for Upper Frederick Volunteer Fire Department, so if you're in their area, I'm sure they would be happy to show you the vehicle. We're excited to have them as a customer and build another Fire Devil here at Rapid Response. If you're ever by the area, stop by. We'd be happy to show you around. Thanks everybody for watching, and have a great day.